It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: turbo V6 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.